So today we'll discuss the force and laws of motion and on the motion chapter some basic concepts and some numericals. You have already known about the acceleration, velocity, displacement. Clear? So you represent the displacement as is. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I represent a arrow mark. That means it refers to displacement is a vector quantity. Displacement is a vector quantity. Understood? So my question is, sir, what is vector quantity? Who can say what is vector quantity? Who can say what is vector
So the
quantity?
physical quantity is both magnitude and direction.
Vector quantity are those quantity which having magnitude, direction and obey the law of vector addition. Sir, how many law and what are the law? There are three laws. One is triangle law, another is parallelogram law and third one is polygon law. We'll discuss about that law, no problem. So one thing, sir, vector means having some direction. Scalar means only magnitude, no direction. Understood or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Most of the students say, sir, my problem is how to solve the numerical. I am not able to solve numerical. So simple answer or simple fundamental thing is, first remember the formula. Remember the formula. Then understood the basic idea, basic concept. Then automatically numerical also. We'll discuss about that. We know the kinematic relations or the formula of the motions. Again, velocity. We'll discuss this. Velocity. Velocity is a scalar or vector quantity.
Vector quantity.
All are clear? Acceleration is a scalar or vector quantity.
Vector.
Vector. Clear my point? Velocity equal to rate of change of displacement or displacement by time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity, or you can write velocity by time. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then you remember all the three formula, but we have already discussed four formula. Yes or no? We have already discussed the four formula. We remember only the three formula. One is V equal to U plus AT. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And second one is V square minus U square.
2AS.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
And third one is
Yes.
S equal to UT plus half ST. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And another formula is Sn
Sn plus n
U plus
a by 2
A by
whole into 2n minus 1.
Minus 1.
all are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So using this formula, you can write V equal to sir U plus F. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can I write, if you plus U take that side, that is minus U, V minus U equal to 8. Yes or no? So simple, you can find acceleration A equal to V minus U by T. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen, the important thing. Suppose this is Earth, this is Earth, this is the center of Earth, and this is the Earth's gravitational field. That means if you place any object inside the Earth's gravitational field, then Earth attracts towards its center. Earth attracts, suppose if you place an object here, then Earth attracts, every object Earth attracts here. Now we are also inside the gravitational field. Suppose this is a dust. If I remove this, they move downward. That means who attracts? Earth attracts. They move downward. That means always the acceleration due to gravity is downward. That means towards the center of Earth. Towards the center of Earth. Listen carefully. This is the Earth base. Okay. Suppose an object is placed here. Here is the object. Clear? We know that the value of G is always downward. The value of G is always clear.
Yes, sir.
See, the object will fall downward. That means here the acceleration is equal with plus G. Listen, if the body moving downward, you take plus G. Suppose you throw a body in upward direction. If the body moving upward, that means against the gravity. Against the gravity. Listen, G is always downward. If a body fall down, that means same direction with the gravity, then acceleration will take positive. If you throw a body in upward direction, that means the body move against the acceleration due to gravity. That time you take A equal to minus G. A equal to minus G. First point understood? When you take plus G or minus G, if the body moving downward or falling downward or towards the earth, then you take acceleration as plus G. Point number 1 clear? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
If the body moving upward, then you take acceleration equal to minus G. Why? Because G is always at downward, but here the body move upward. That means against the gravity. Any doubt?
No, sir.
All are clear? Various of systems are there. One is SI system, another is MKS system, another is CGS system, another is FPS system. Now we discuss about the system. One is MKS, another is CGS. Clear? Third one is P. Clear? M stands for meter. K stands for kilogram. And A stands for second. Clear? C stands for centimeter. G stands for gram. And S stands for second. In APS system, F stands for foot. P stands for pound. S stands for second. Dear students, these are the three sections. The first section is only for the length, and section 2 is for mass, and 3 for time. Those are measured the length in terms of foot, the mass in terms of pound, and time in terms of second. That system is called as APS system. All are clear?
Sir, FT means foot.
F means foot, FT means foot. Clear?
Sir, after pound.
Pound means the measurement of mass. In case of WWE, Big Show, Undertaker, Great Khali, they measured their mass. Have you? I think you have played multiple time of the cards. Huh? On the card mentioned about the 250 pound, but you think 250 kg. Yes or no? But practically they measured in pound. All are clear? So pound is the unit of
Yes.
mass. In which system? FPS system.
FPS.
Clear my point? Now, sir, what are the relation with this concept? Dear students, we measure, or basically we know that the value of G is 9.8 meter per second square. That is in SI system. That is in SI system, or you can say meter second means NK system. All are clear? Most of the time,
Yes, sir.
the value of G nearly equal to 10 meter per second square. But this is not the accurate value. This is the approximate value. Clear my point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now we'll discuss the another concept. Listen carefully. This place visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Listen. The value of G is 980 centimeter per second square. In which system? C, G.
Yes.
Now understood centimeter second? Centimeter second in which system? CG. All are clear? If you say about value of G is 32 foot per second square. In which system?
FPS.
FPS. Clear?
FPS.
So please remember the value of G. The unit is meter per second square. So you know that the unit of acceleration is what? Meter per.
Meter per second
The
square.
unit of velocity is meter per second. Yes or no? So simple.
Yes.
G is a acceleration, but it is special type of acceleration. That means Earth attracts everybody with this velocity. Another important thing is the value of G is not constant for all the position. Okay, the value of G is maximum at the surface of Earth. If you move upward, the value of G decreases. We will discuss on gravitation chapter. If you move downward, the value of G also decreases. Clear my point? So value of G is maximum at the surface of Earth. The value of G is 0 above the gravitational field. The value of G is 0 at the center of the arc. Please remember, the value of G is changes. Clear my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please remember the value of G in different system. All are clear? If the body fall down or move towards the arc, then acceleration is taken as plus G. If you throw a body upward direction, then acceleration is minus G. Any doubt?
No, sir.
All are clear?
No, sir.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, we will discuss some question on this concept. Suppose the question said, this is the arc. Write down the question. A body falls from a height of 2 kilometers. A body falls from a height of 2 kilometers. Or you can say a raindrop falls from a height of 2 kilometers. At what velocity will it strike the ground? At what velocity will it strike the ground? Listen.
Yes.
Okay. All are written? All are written or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now solve
Yes,
this
sir.
question. I will give you maximum 1 minute. Please solve this question. Take the value of G is 10. Take the value of G is 10. This is the raindrop. Okay. Place that.
Sir, 200 meters.
Very good.
At 200 meters.
Very good. Place at a height 2 kilometers. Yes or no?
200 meters per second.
Then after some time raindrop and fall at this point having some velocity. Now we find that velocity. Initial velocity is 0, yes or no? Initial velocity is 0, yes or no? Initial the body is at rest, then move towards the downward. The body move downward. That means acceleration equal with plus G or minus G. Acceleration equal with plus G or minus G. Plus G.
Plus.
If the body move upward, acceleration is minus G. So here value of G is given plus 10. Unit, who can say the unit of G?
Meter per second square.
Meter per. All are clear or any doubt? Now using the formula, distance equal to 2 kilometer. That means you can write 2000 meter. Any doubt? Now please
No, sir.
distance meter per second square. All are clear? Using the formula, which formula you use? V equal to U plus AT.
G square minus C square equal to S.
Or S equal to UT plus half AT square. Which formula you use?
V square minus U square equal to 2S.
Very good.
D square equal to U square plus 2S.
Marker problem. V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Any doubt? So here V is V square, U is 0 square,
0 square.
2 into acceleration is 10 and S is
2000.
2000. So V square equal to 2 into 2, 4 into 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the power 4. So V equal to root over
2 into 10 to the power
4
2.
into 10 to the power 4. So your answer will be 2 into 10 to the power 2. That you can write 200 meter per second. This is your answer. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
All are clear?
Yes, sir.
All are clear? Please note that point one by one. Understood better? The important point is initial velocity is 0. How to take plus g? All are clear about that concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Safalya, Satya, understood? Samika?
Yes, sir.
Heart Ranjan is here or not? Heart Ranjan is present or absent today? Uday Ranjan? Present or absent? Present. Okay. Himanshu? Present. Okay, very good. Now listen. Write the another question. A body moving upward. A body moving upward with a velocity of 19.6. A body moving with a velocity 19.6. At what height the body will rise? What height the body will rise? Maximum height. Okay, a body moving upward with a velocity of 19.6 meter per second. What height the body will rise? Suppose if I throw this marker to upward direction with some velocity, then the marker will move in this situation up to this point, then fall down. That means as the situation, the body move, then after some time they fall down. That means what height the body will rise. If you throw the body, this
Sir, what will be the acceleration? Sir, what we will take?
take g equal to 9.8. Take g equal to 9.8. 9.8 g. Listen. If g is not given 10, then always you take 9.8. 9.8 your accurate value. Clear my point? If
Yes,
g
sir.
is given take g equal to 10, then you use that. Otherwise you take 9.8. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now solve it. Listen. This is earth. This is the body. Yes or no? Moving upward direction.
At 19.6 meter.
Very good, Satya. Moving upward direction. Then move this position. Then will fall down. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Clear? That means this is the maximum
Yes, sir.
what will rise. Yes. We have to find this value. Yes or no? So
The 19.6 meter.
very good.
9.6 meter.
Yes, students, listen. Body will move that height where the final velocity will be zero. So suppose this position final velocity will be zero. Then body move fall down. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So initial velocity is given 19.6 meter per second. Yes or no? Final
Yes, sir.
velocity will be zero. This is the real concept.
0.
Body will move that height where the final velocity will be zero. Clear my point? So here the final velocity will be zero. So now see, the body move against the gravity or not? So here acceleration equal to minus.
Minus 9.8.
Yes or no? So
Yes,
your
sir.
value is minus 9.8. Now using the concept U V A S. What are the formula? We can say
B square minus U square equal to 2AS.
V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Any doubt?
No sir. No sir.
Okay. So V square, V is 0, minus U square, that is 19.6 square equal to 2. Acceleration is minus 9.8 into S. Any doubt?
No sir. No sir.
Minus. Can I write the 19.6 as like 19.6 into 19.6? Yes or no?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
So then 19.6 will be cut.
Minus 2 into 9.8 is 19.6. Clear? Into S. Any doubt?
No sir.
Minus,
Sir.
minus cancel. 19.6 cancel. So your distance is S equal to
19.6 meter.
19.6 meter.
the marker. S equal to 19.6 meter. There your answer. All are clear or any doubt?
Yes sir.
Clear? Understood
Yes, sir.
the concept, how we take plus G, how we take minus G. Clear my point? On which case you take U0, on which case you take V0. All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay.